Good morning again, everyone. It's Ray from innovational-health.com and Health Travelers. Once again, coming to you from really the beautiful Arizona desert near Quartzsite, Arizona. This is day 9, the start of day 9. Actually, I had some early morning pre-breakfast visitors, and so I decided I'd give you a little bit different perspective. I moved out the slide on the RV, and I'm now sitting in the captain's chair, and so I can actually move this down if you want to see that. So I can talk to you a little bit about what happened yesterday on day 8. If you remember from the post yesterday, things had gotten a little sticky, and there might need some roughage to get things going. It turned out that's all it needed was I had the oatmeal and the Shakeology and the oatmeal combination. Everything is fine now, so that should be interesting for us to see what the weigh-in is going to be. The only issue I have now is I ran out of seed butter yesterday, so now I don't have anything as far as fiber to put in the Shakeology anymore at this time. The bananas are gone, the seed butter is gone. One viewer commented that it might be good to go to oatmeal in the morning and 2 Shakeologies. You know, that might be a real possibility for an idea down the road. In fact, I may modify this. There's nothing that says that I can't, but it appears I might need more fiber in this particular fast. But let's see how it goes. And with that in mind, let's go to the scale of truth. Once again, the scale of truth. Okay, today's reading is definitely down to 211.4. So get lined up again. And 211.4, once again, if we subtract 0.6, we're back now under 211 to 210.8. And that gives us a total loss now of, what is that, 8.2? 8.4? Or is it 8.4? 8.4. It started out, as you can see, I'm putting up the figures as we speak. It started at 218.2 and it's now 210.8. So that's where I'm at. Yeah, that's good. Starting to get back to where I should be. Today's another day. I walked my visitors back to their camp this morning, and I'm dying for breakfast. So I've already put in about a mile this morning, and I hope to do even better. So we'll see tomorrow. That's all we can do. So this is Ray from innovational-health.com and the Health Travelers, wishing you to have a great day.